I want to show you guys how I went from feeling like this to like this with one mod on the JK. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kevin Swan with Road Rash Off-Road, and I am here in this episode to talk about exhaust. We all love customizing our Jeeps. It's a passion of ours. It's like a hobby. Sometimes a very expensive hobby, but it doesn't always have to be expensive. If you guys sift around a little bit, you can find some really good deals like I did with this. We all know Flowmaster. Everybody knows the name Flowmaster. It is one of the best exhaust systems. You hear them on your buddies' Mustangs, you hear them on your buddies' Dodge trucks, but we are going to put this Flowmaster on the Jeep Wrangler. You guys are going to be so shocked at what this 3.6 liter V6 will sound like with the Flowmaster. The Flowmaster Outlaw axle back exhaust retails for about $550 brand new. Now, for an upgrade, for me, it really wasn't top of the list. I had a lot of other things that I needed to spend $540 on. But one night I was piddling around on one of the social media marketplaces, and I found a guy in my group that was selling this for about $300. And I go, ooh, all of a sudden I'm interested. $300 for a really great exhaust. So decided to hit him up. And if you're anything like me, you guys have Jeep parts just in every corner of your garage. So I started sending over some things that I had, and we made a deal. He wanted some of the Jeep parts that I had. I wanted his exhaust, and we made an even trade. So now I am stoked about putting this on the truck. If you have a Flowmaster Outlaw for your JK, leave a comment below and let us know what you think about it. If you've been running it for a while, do you love it still? What is your honest thoughts about your JK with the Flowmaster Outlaw? If you're running a different setup, a different exhaust, please comment that down below too. Like, subscribe to this channel. This is what we do. I love my Jeep. I'm passionate about my Jeep, and I love fixing it up and off-roading. So if you like that too, hey, we got something in common. There's a couple of things that I want to mention about the Flowmaster Outlaw. It's made of a 16 gauge, 2.5 inch T409 stainless steel, which makes it corrosion proof. It also includes black ceramic coated dual exit tailpipes, which makes it look awesome, sticking out of the back of the Jeep that say Flowmaster on them. And best of all, it's made in the USA. So this should be one of the easiest installs probably of anything on a Jeep next to changing out a light bulb. Literally, it's one screw, which is going to be this on the clamp here that goes back to the Y. And then we have two hangers. We may have to pry that off. So we've got our pry bar here. This does take a 5/8 and it's a deep socket 5/8. So you're gonna have to make sure you have that, or you're gonna have to do just a regular open face. I've got my skateboard. It says to jack up the Jeep, but I don't think I need to do that. I've got a 3.5 inch lift on here, so I should just be able to roll up underneath there, but it's awfully dirty. I do take this thing off road. It's not Mall Princess or whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's dirty for a reason. Anyway, let's get under here, drop out the old, put in the new. All right, so as you can see, it did come off, but the clamp came off pretty easy. The driver's side bushing actually came off pretty easy, but it was that passenger side over there that gave me a little bit of problems just trying to wrench that thing off. So before I throw this one on, I want to do a little comparison in size and weight. This is 16.1, it's the Flowmaster. Let's see what stock muffler is. I might need two hands to carry this one. 21.6 pounds. Look at the difference in the way these look and where they fit. This is a really slim design for the Flowmaster. That is going to look so good coming out of the back of the Jeep. I can't wait to get it installed. Let's put it in. Man, that thing went on a lot easier than it came off. I literally just put that thing on in about 8 minutes. That thing just slid right on. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to crank it up. So every day driving in this, I got the windows down. It's just a slow, low rumble. It sounds so good. You really can't even hear it. But whenever you want that little extra sound, there's a little bitty pedal under your right foot. And all you got to do is push it. There it is. Thank you guys for joining me on this install. This was so much fun. Like I said, this is probably not a mod that I would have upgraded immediately and flipped the bill for just because the cost was so high. But man, according to the look of my face, the smile on my face, you can tell I wouldn't hesitate to do it again. Like, subscribe to this channel. I've got tons of other content coming out, including one of the best videos that we've ever done. An electric hardtop hoist that I installed in my garage. It literally cost me under $100 to do it. It's custom, it goes straight to the ceiling, so flush, and it's so easy. My 13-year-old daughter can operate it too. You guys have to see this video. Like, subscribe, so that you don't miss it. Thanks.